Hello guys, is your Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung S25 Plus? I will help you with that. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to settings. You can do it like that and toggle off Wi-Fi and toggle it on again. If you can do that, you can just go to settings directly like this. Settings. You go to connections, you toggle the switch off and you toggle it on. If it didn't work, what you can do is you can hold it, or you can just press it, as you can see, and you press the mechanical wheel. Here, this one. Press it and you forget. My phone forgot about it. Oh, it's connecting me to other Wi-Fi. Okay. And you need to enter your password again. I will enter it and will be right back. Okay, I already put my password in again. If it didn't work out for you, what you can do is you need to restart your router and your phone. It should work. If it didn't work, okay, then we are going to settings. You write here at the search bar at the bottom software updates. You look for it, you have it here. You check for updates. If my software is up to date, if yours isn't, it could be the problem why your Wi-Fi didn't connect. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.